Hello, my name is Steve Johnson and I work at Ikelite Underwater Systems. I'm one of the repair technicians here, and today we will be repairing or replacing your locking mechanism in your ULTRAcompact housing. Now, if you feel awkward or maybe a little afraid on trying to repair your housing yourself, feel free to send it in. We can do all this for you and send it back with being water pressure tested and guaranteeing that everything is going to be perfect for you. One thing that we need to note with the ULTRAcompact housings is the main O-ring has to be lubricated. If the main O-ring on the back becomes dry, it becomes very difficult to get your housing closed and opened. So you want to make sure that you can lube that. You can lube it while the O-ring is still in there, and that's going to prevent a lot of frustration for you if you keep that O-ring lubricated. Now, the tools we need for this particular job would be a hammer, channel locks, and pliers. And pliers are optional. You could use the channel locks in place of the pliers. I prefer the pliers because they're a little bit smaller. These are rather large channel locks, but you'll see the application in a minute, why they are so big. This is going to be the kit you receive. It's going to be a locking mechanism and the cotter pin. And you're going to use the new cotter pin as a start to remove the old cotter pin. So what you want to do is place the cotter pin on top of the old cotter pin. So you want to hold this in place like you're driving a nail in the top of that cotter pin. A few small little taps. You can see that the cotter pin is starting to come out of the bottom. This is where the small pliers come in play. Grab this and you could gently pull that out, and you could set your old cotter pin and your old locking mechanism aside and grab your new locking mechanism. And you can see how it snaps onto the housing. There's two little hooks there. You can snap that onto your housing, and you want to make sure that when you put this new cotter pin in, you want to align this with the two holes. Grab your new cotter pin. You can start it in. Use your hammer again. Gently tap it down. Now the channel locks, and you gently press together. Once you see that your cotter pin is flush on both sides, the lock is installed. And that's how you replace a locking mechanism in an ULTRAcompact housing. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at ikelite@ikelite.com. Have a great day.